single-phase 220 pneumatic push-table 5-disc tenoning machine. After the wiring is powered on, start and stop each saw blade separately to confirm the forward and reverse directions. Confirm that the direction of the saw blade selection is consistent with the direction of the motor arrow before starting work. If the rotation direction is not consistent, there is a risk of knife detachment and injury. Swap the positions of the two power supply wires. To activate the air valve switch, it is necessary to press it up, down, left, and right with a 10 wooden square, and multiple wooden squares can be pressed simultaneously. Loosen the screws on the fixed slide to prepare for moving and adjusting the slide up, down, forward, and backward. Use the handle to select and twist the screw rod to adjust the front and rear up and down positions of the saw blade motor. Confirm that the saw blade is adjusted to the position where tenoning, length, thickness, and thickness are required. Activate the power switch of the main saw head trimming, upper and lower saws, and push the sliding table for tenoning work. Efficient and convenient, fast tenoning, precise size, smooth and burr-free tenon surface.
9分恒机械